Coleg Gwent is a great place to study art and design if you want to hone your artistic abilities. As an approved University of Arts London partner, you can expect a strong focus on industry requirements to prepare you for an exciting career in the creative industries. All our facilities are professionally equipped for your chosen specialism, where we encourage experimentation to build your skills and confidence across a wide range of disciplines and topics. You'll create a portfolio and explore potential career paths with the ability to specialize in areas such as fine art, graphic design, photography, interior design, computer gaming, fashion, and textiles. Our courses range from 1 to 3 years, with full and part-time study options available for all skill levels. Whether you've set your sights on becoming a games designer, photographer, or working in fashion, Coleg Gwent's industry experienced tutors are here to support you every step of the way. Find out more about art and design courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.